That's from Grandma Lorraine.
Oh, that's another one all the way from Australia. Oh, you got a book.
Yay!
Yay. Oh, Frozen.
Zoe's Frozen your favorite?
That's so fun.
Trust starting at the end.
Yeah, we'll open it too. Let's see what else is in there.
Trust starting at the end.
Oh, books. What's
That was
that
a
one,
good
Jojo?
present.
Is that a Frozen sticker book?
Pippi's like, now I'm interested.
Oh wait, hold on. Can you open that card?
You open it from Grandma?
Yeah.
From Grandma Lorraine.
At the end, just not like this. Only one.
Yeah.
Rip it all up.
Look at it. Timmy's just gonna look at it.
What's
No,
on
is
the
that
front
too
of
much?
that, Zozo? What number?
No, this is
What number is that?
Need all the kids start playing with all of them.
How old are you, Zozo?
Looks like stickers. I want to try and peel them off.
Are you 7?
Are you 403?
Three.
403.
Does it say Happy Birthday, Zozo, from Grandma Lorraine?
It says to dear Zoe. Yeah.
Guys, hey, what are those clothes that she sent you?
Yeah, that's so pretty.
What are those clothes?
Yeah.
Some pants? Oh, some nice pants. Those are cute.
Oh, those will be nice. And some tops.
Ooh, some more pants.
Those are cute too.
Ooh,
Good class, man.
flowers for Zozo.
See you there.
Wowza.
Okay, sorry.
And what else? Is there a shirt in there too?
No, I don't have my phone in there. I don't have my phone. Yeah. This makes
Oh, that's a pretty one.
Yes? Oh, pretty paper. Oh, that goes with your pants.
Oh,
Yeah,
that's a nice one.
it is.
We got games, we got puzzles, we got books.
We have a bag here yet.
Yeah. Still got.
Okay, I'll hold it.
Did you find riff raff?